Good morning. Welcome to MB Option Traders. This is Shiva. Day 72 of 2.5 years to 60 lakh challenge. You can see I just entered the trade. Previously I took 2 trades, but I forgot to record the manual mistake. I just market open. I'm in hurry, so I forgot to record. Okay, you can see market open. Fall. I again try to bullish. Same place again taking resistance. So that's why it broken the consolation we entered. And this is going to our first target. Once this zone break, this 200 400 even collaboration going to be our first target. And you can say 5-minute time frame try to fall. Once we break zone, we can expect this one the first target, and down 400 movement of second target. Okay, market will try to fall, so I exited. You can say it tried to bullish market, that's why we exited. We're gonna re-enter the same once it give me confirmation of bearish side. Okay, you can see we entered. It is a fake breakout. I try to bullish and break the candle high, so that's why we exited. Let me show you the previous trade. You can see these are 2 trades. Just give me a second. These are 2 trades. I entered and exited, and these are third trade. Mostly I'm gonna trade one more trade. If it loss, I'm gonna exit. I'm not gonna trade for the day. Okay, let me enter. Chalo, I entered. Below I'm gonna place my SL. Let me place my SL because market 2 volatility today. The wicks are rising. That's why the options are falling, but spot chart is stable because wicks are moving high. That's why. Okay, let me give you analysis behind the trade. Okay, you can see same previously said. Try to bullish same place again taking resistance. Previous of SL configured, and right now same. This is going to our first target. In 5-minute time frame, 200 EMA once day low break. We expect 200 EMA the first target, and 400 EMA going to our second target. Mostly, if it consolidation, you can see heavy consolidation, so it's going to work as a major support also. That's why wait for the candle close below. Okay, I can say I try to updating my trial SR every reason. You can see the spot chart try to fall, but option chart not moving. As I said previously, the wicks are rising, so that may affected on options also. That's why updating every moment. In market give me confirmation, just update my trial SL. It has to be for exact this moment. In case of reversal, the high chance is going to be consolidation. You can see too close. So as we expected, our SL got triggered. Okay, you can see. These are the entry and exit position. Okay, we gain 7 points. Okay, let me enter. Okay, I can say adjustment reason. As a previous lost it, but we made a profit of 7 points. So that's why I took one more trade. And this is going to be, you can see, market open, try to bullish, but it failed and continue fall. And previous is creating a trend line, you can see. 1 second. Okay, I can say it took fall and try to support and creating a higher formation, but not going to break the upside. You can say this is the major resistance from the previous day. So same place taking resistance again today open, try to bullish same fail again right now break the trend line. So it's our multiple times break, so you expect and continue fall. Once day low break, this is going to our first target and this is going to our second target. In case continue fall, we can expect a good downside also. You can see these are the major support. That's why 400 EMA going to be our third target. Anyways, I try to break downside and trade get already started. Okay, you can see the trade get started. So an upside in options at 200 EMA. Okay, you can see trade get started, but there might be chance for retracement also. You can see the below I'm gonna place my trial SL. Okay, so I'm gonna trigger my trial SL. So let me exit. Okay, you can say I just exited. Reason I said starting we took 3 continuous sales and last trade we made a minimum profit. So I'm expecting it's gonna upside and test the trend line and continue fall. So we're gonna re-enter same time once it give me confirmation of the trend line testing. And you can see they are the entry and exit positions. And the final position. Okay, I can see. Okay, let me enter first. Chalo, entry. You can see previously said once mark give confirmation, we're gonna re-enter the same trade once again. Okay, you can see we expected a market will try to bullish and take resistance from the trend line and continue fall, and it try to bullish and create a reversal hammer showing the bearishness. And once candle closed, we enter the trade and we expect in day gonna break and 200 EMA. We expect a good fall, and this one our first target and this one our second target. It has to fall exact this moment. In case reversal, we can expect a consolidation also. So we're gonna update our trial SL once the mark give any confirmation. We're gonna trial our SL in every candle. Every red candle we want to place our SL. Okay, so we see I place a tight trial SL. Reason I said previously, it has to be fall in case of reversal. It might be chance a cancellation also because the past few days the market in very volatile market, so we can expect cancellation also. So that's better in my trial set to close, and you can see market try to creating a reversal hammer. It has to be continue fall. So let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can see I'll be talking. Our trial got triggered, and I said expected a consolidation or a retracement, and as we expected, it taking some support from the day opening. Okay, I can see the heavy consolidation. So same pace again taking support. So with expected upside move or any retracement, we want to enter the same trade. Let me show you the position. Okay, I can see this is the order books. Okay, entry and exit positions, and the final PNL. Okay, let me enter first. So entry, you can see. I said previously, we want to re-enter the same trade once again. It wants to give me confirmation of the bearish side and Sensex trying to fall. So that's why we enter the Sensex. Okay, you can see. Let me show you. Actually, I took this trade for the positional basis. Let me give analysis behind why I took the position as set. One second. Okay, you can see. Market try to bullish, and here's a major support and try to take support and continue consolidation and bullish. You can see. And this is going to have resistance, but the resistance not broken. So yesterday news basis market open gap down. So it has to be test the resistance, but today open try to bullish and trigger the we expected it gonna hit our resistance, but it fall exactly the previous day consolidation place. You can see. So this one to work on my resistance, and once resistance take and continue fall and 200 may break out, and you can see yesterday consolidation the same place. Once it already tried to pick and take the support and try to bullish, and exactly you can see the consolidation place, it again taking resistance and again created reversal hammer. So right now 200 may break and created a good bearish candle. So that's why we entered. Expecting this one to our first target. Once it break, we expect good target, and this is going to be a positional target. And with one key cannot break, we can expect this much target also, because we taking positional, we can hold as much as possible. If the candle break upside this place, we're gonna exit and we're not gonna hold trade, because once a above break, we can expect a double bottom pattern and continue bullish also. That's why let me show you the spot chart. Option chart. You can see the trade got started already. It's going to bullish once this 200 may break, and expected is 200 may first target, and this one's on target. Okay, you can say I said trade got started, so that's why I updated my trial essay. In case market get reversal by same place day low, there might be chances also. That's why I updated our trial essay below 200. It has to be bullish at this moment. In case reversal, we can expect a consolidation. Okay, as said previously, 200 arrows work as a good support, but you can see we placed our trial essay below 200. It took the our trial essay, and I said previously it might be chance for it takes support from the day low. So right now we're trying to take some support as expected. You can see, just give me a second overview, and you can see the same position it took support. I am trying to take once again support, so we can expect upside move also, or any range point consolidation also. You want re-enter the same trade once it give me any bearish confirmation, or this might our last trade, and this is the final order book. You can see this is the entry and exit positions, and we made 20 points. Let me show you final position. Okay, you can see we're back to break even, so we're gonna re-enter one more trade. Okay, you can see actually I forgot to record once again. Okay, continue fall. Once we break out the previous candle low, we enter the trade, and here we enter exactly. I need continue bullish and given a good profit, 5,000 plus profit. Still I am not booked because this is going to be a target. I placed the alert also. I went out and I placed my trial below exact this moment. So in case it market reversal, I don't want to lose much. That's why I updated. And you can say after our trial got ready, try to bullish. Let me show you the final positions. Okay, you can say this is the entry and exit point. We made 7 points. Okay, we just booked a 7 points. Actually, it already given a good 6,000 profit. Still we not book. And you can see these are the final position. We're back to green, and you can see we made a 3 green trades and 2 red trades. So we're back to break even, and finally it closed on green. So I don't want it much because market expected a consolidation also, because past few days market continue volatile and some global news also. I don't want trade much. If we trade, if you lose one more trade, we going to be over trade. We want to try to recover the losses. So I don't want to do this much. Whenever you're doing trading, just remember one thing: you are continuing last 2 or 3 trades continuously. Just stop trading. You can see I said previously, first we took 3 continued loss. I said we on last trade and we made profit. The second trade we recovered 50% loss, and you can see finally we back to green. If you want, I can trade much also, but I don't want to do much over trading and break my mental stability. So that's why this is going to be my last trade. Chalo, done for the day. See you on next video.